Alright, what's good with y'all? Today we back with another video, and today we're actually gonna check out Tory Lanez's vocal preset. I've seen some people commenting that they want to see this video, so I figured why the fuck not. So let's just get right into the video. So let's hop into FL. I got this project pulled up and I recreated his song called The Color Violet. So let's just take a listen to the original song first.
My drugs and took my loving when I left out the spot. I left the party with the Barbie marking X on the dot. She calls my phone up, but I told her I'm a loner. But she likes my watch and my drop top and my persona.
So this is the part that I remade, and we're just gonna listen to the raw vocals first without no processing. So let's turn off all of these, and yeah. Let's listen to them raw.
I took my drugs and took my loving when I left out the spot. I left the party with a Barbie marking X on it.
Bro! This is the part that y'all don't see. Fuck! By the way, this preset contains some Waves plugins, but yeah, feel me? If you join my Discord, we can all, feel me? We can help each other out. Okay. So once you purchase a preset, you will get it like this, and just sort it by size, and then drag and drop it wherever you want it. It's that simple, and boom, just like that, it loads into FL, and all you gotta do is hold in Shift and click on these to route them, and then just adjust them how much you want based on your recording. It's literally that simple, but for now I already got it, so I don't need this. So that was just to demonstrate. So let's solo the vocal and just listen to how it sounds. And this is with the preset on.
I took my drugs and took my loving when I left out the spot. I left the party with a Barbie marking X on a dot.
I also included an ad-lib preset for y'all, which sounds like this.
Left at the spot, marking X on a dot. My loner. Persona.
So, I mean, this shit sounds pretty damn similar to the original song, if you ask me.
I took my drugs and took my loving when I left out the spot.
I left the party with the Barbie marking X on the dot.
She calls my phone up, but I told her I'm a loner.
She likes my watch and my drop top and
my persona.
So, that's basically the Tory Lanez preset by me. My best recreation of it. And let me know what y'all think in the comments, and yeah, like, really what I did, this is all that's on the chain, so make sure you got the plugins before you buy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, leave a comment what artist you want me to do next. Also join the Discord community. You can send in your songs, download free presets, share with each other. Like, it's a good community. We also reached over 3K members now, I think, so yeah, just join the server and engage with the people in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.